Okay, so this is on concept of percentage involving change. So let's look at this question. So Peter saves 30% of his monthly salary. When his salary increased by 10%, his savings increased by $189. Find his salary before the increase. Okay, so when we read this question, we must understand that even after the increment in salary, even after the salary increases, he is still always going to save 30% of the new salary also. Okay, but of course, the value of the 30% would then be different already from the original 30%. All right, so with this understanding, okay, so how am I going to solve this? So it's actually like a percentage of a percentage question. Right. So percentage of percentage question can be really confusing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deal everything in terms of units. Then that would, I guess, be easier for everyone to understand also. Okay, so what do I mean by dealing with units? So let's see how I'm going to record things now. So let's talk about original salary first. So if he saved 30% of his original salary, meaning to say original salary will be treated as 100 units. Okay, so what we understand from this is like a fraction, 30 out of 100 units, right? The 100, of course, have to be belonging to the monthly salary. 30 units will be what he saved out of 100 units. Okay, so that brings me to my next point, original savings. Out of 100 U, he saved 30%, that is equivalent to 30 units. Now, and with this, I am going to find out after the increase. After the increase in salary, we call this the new salary. So when his salary increased by 10%, so increased by 10%, meaning to say from this original 100 units, it's going to increase by another 10 units, right? Because this is 10 out of 100, and the out of 100 already just nice belongs to the original salary. Okay, this 100 belongs to this original, which is showing 100 here also. So now you can safely just take 100U plus 10U to find the new amount of salary, which is 110 units. Now, and like I said, with this new salary, he is still going to save 30% of this new salary. Okay, so this is what I mean by percentage of a percentage. Imagine if you wrote percent, then you are telling me 30% of 110%. For the savings, okay, which then, it's pretty confusing because I have a percentage here and then I still have to deal with percentage here, okay, so let's avoid that. So to avoid that, we just deal with units, it will be easier to deal with then, okay. So let's go and find out how many units will be the new savings, okay. So like what I explained just now, this new savings 30% is still 30%, but the 30% can no longer be the same value as the original 30%. Just now, original 30% is 30 units. Okay, I've underlined in blue here. Can I say the new savings is also still 30 units? Obviously not. Okay, because 30% of the new salary of 110 units has to be a different number of units now. So we are going to calculate that out. Okay, we're going to calculate that out. What's the new value inside this 30%? So with this, I just need to take 30 out of 100. 30% is 30 out of 100, and I multiply it by 110 units, because 30% of the 110 units now. And I realized then that will be 33 units. Fair enough, okay? So some of you, maybe you don't like to do it this way. Okay, so instead of doing this, you can do this. You're going to treat this as the new so-called 100%, right? Within the 30% layer. So you can take 110, divide by 100 times 30, also can. It will still give you 33 units also. Okay, so now you notice that there is a change in the savings. As what we can see here, original savings was 30 units. New savings is now 33 units, right? Which is true because if you read on, his savings increased by $189. So the difference between the savings here is equivalent to the $189 increase in savings. So we're going to work that out. Difference in savings will be a difference of 3 units, an increase of 3 units. And this 3 units now I can safely say will be equals to $189. And of course, I will find out the value of 1U. So 1 unit, just do the division. Okay, let me erase my ink there. Now, once you have 1 unit, always read back the final question. We want his salary before the increase. Where's the salary before increase? So salary before the increase means the original salary, right? Which is this one, right? Original salary, as we can see, is 100 units. So just need to work out the value of 100 units. And that's it. So notice that throughout this question, the only time I really deal with percentage in my steps is this point, the new savings part. Because he's always going to save 30% of whatever salary he received. But of course, if the salary changes, the 30% value will change also. Okay, the 30% value will change also. All right, so then that's why I need to go and find out the value of the 30%, which is by doing this step. The others here, I can just express them in terms of units. All right, so that's it.